Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Welcome back at another MongoDB tutorial in which we are going to use how to update records or documents in MongoDB. Let us start. First of all, we have to use database that is called MyDB. Then db.student is my collection. So we are going to display record by using find command. So here we having a 6th record in this collection name student. So by using update command, we are going to update some records. db.student.update. In this update method, we have to give two objects. Okay. First object is a condition where or what you want to update. So we are giving here condition that roll number equal to 6. Okay. We want to update the record where roll number is equal to 6. What record we want to update? We want to update set. For that we have a set, then colon, another update object function, object notation is called curly brackets. Then set the condition which you want to update. I want to update the name, so I give name equal to Raju. Okay, press enter. So you see one record has been updated. If we check the record, so we have that here we having a name equal to Naresh, but now which the record which having a roll number 6 have been changed to name equal to Raju. So you can change like this also, or if you want to update some record also, one or more field you can update also like this. I put age, one extra field is called age, and I put age here, suppose 45, and press enter. So one more record has been updated, and if you see, so same record where roll number is equal to 6, name equal to Raju, so it have been modified that name equal to Raju and age equal to 45. So like this we can update this. One more way we can update, we can use update command also without using a set. If I am not using set here and simply I just use this objects and I don't use set command, or and then I press enter. So you see that roll number equal to 6, and I'm changing this to, for example, I change the age to 34. Press enter, have been modified, and you check it. So roll number has been gone here from here, because by using set operator, we say we have to update these value. Okay, so set only update the value but does not change the roll number. Here without set operator we are using here simple update command without using a set operator. So here it will this update command what do it, it update only this, it add name equal to Raju, age equal to 34, and it will remove any other field which is except in these two field. Means it will remove the roll number, because we are updating here, we are saying insert this record in place of this. So it changing the roll number equal to 6 in place of name equal to Raju and age equal to 34. So if you are using set operator, then it will only modify the value and does not remove any field. But if you are not using a set operator, that means it will only leave these two field. Otherwise it will remove all other fields available except the object ID, because object ID is a unique value, it cannot be deleted, it cannot be changed here. So like this we can use update command. One more command is here for updating a record also. If you want to update, for that we having a save command. But for using a save command, first of all I have to select the record, which record I want to use. For example, I want to update this record. So here is a command, db.student.save. So this save command, here I want to update this record. Okay, so in a save command I have to give the complete complete document, your complete record. Okay, and here we can modify the value. For example, it is 10th, So we say 12th and press enter. So modify, the record has been modified, and if you see, so this record have been changed. This is 10th, it have been changed to 12th. Okay, so what is the benefit of save command? Actually, save command change complete record, not single field or single record. It complete document, modify complete document like this, this is 12th, and if I change age to suppose 23, press enter, so it will also modify. You see, means the whole record, the complete document, if you want to modify, you can modify by using a save record. One more advantage of save command, suppose this, if id is present, like this, we having id 4e, same id is present, so it will modify the record. And if I change the id, if I change to someone else, some other id, and press enter, so it will insert the record. You see, fine, so it will insert the new record here like this. Okay, why? Because the id is different. If id is same, then it will add the record. If id is different, then then it will insert another record. Okay, so by this way you can use save or update command.